Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my ultimate Super Bowl style Chipotle Chicken Nachos with a creamy homemade queso dip. They are smoky, cheesy, loaded with flavor and honestly perfect for game day, movie night or when you just want something fun but still balanced. Let's start with the chicken marinade because that's where all the bold flavor comes from. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chipotle pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, or you can add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of El Pastor seasoning, half the lemon juice, and salt to taste. Mix everything really well until it turns into a deep smoky paste. Now add your chicken and coat it evenly in all the sides. Make sure every piece is well covered. That's how you get flavor in every bite. Let this marinate for at least 15 to 30 minutes. If you have extra time, longer it sits, the better it tastes. Once the chicken is marinated, heat a pan with 1 teaspoon of olive oil over medium heat. Place the chicken in the center and cook in both sides for about 5 minutes per side or until it's fully cooked and nicely juicy, not dry. Remove the chicken from the pan and let it cool slightly, then shred it using 2 forks. This texture works perfectly. Now let's assemble the nachos. Line a baking tray with a parchment paper. Start with a generous layer of blue corn tortillas chips. I love this because they are extra crunchy and add color. On top, scatter black beans, then add shredded chipotle chicken. Finish with a good amount of cheese. I am using pepper jack cheese here. Bake the nachos in a preheated oven at 425 Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just until the cheese is melted and bubbly. While the nachos are baking, let's quickly make a homemade high-protein queso dip. In a bowl, add half a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste or garlic powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything until smooth and creamy. This gives you that queso style dip without feeling heavy, and it pairs perfectly with the spicy nachos. Now take the nachos out of the oven and it's time for the fun part, toppings. Now add fresh pico de gallo on top, shredded lettuce, sliced jalapenos for extra heat, creamy guacamole, avocado yogurt drizzle, and serve it them hot with a queso dip we just made fresh on the side. These Chipotle Chicken Nachos are smoky, cheesy, crunchy, and absolutely addictive. Perfect for Super Bowl Sunday or any date night, movie night. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know in the comments if you are team spicy or extra cheesy. I will see you in the next recipe. Bye.